Namaste children, welcome to another video from RiyRey Edu. In today's lesson, we will learn chapter 2 from your English textbook Mridang. This chapter is called Greetings. So let's dive into the pages together and see what new words and phrases we can learn in this chapter. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now let's read together. Greetings. When I meet someone, I say Namaste. When I meet someone in the morning, I say good morning. When I meet someone in the afternoon, I say good afternoon. When I meet someone in the evening, I say good evening. When I go to bed, I say good night. So children, we'll now learn about greetings. Greetings are the polite words we use when we meet people or when we say goodbye. When I meet someone, I can say Namaste. In English, we also greet people differently at different times of the day. In the morning, we say good morning. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. In the evening, we say good evening. And when we go to bed, we say good night. So children, greetings are a way to show respect and kindness. From today, you try to greet your parents, teachers and friends in English using these phrases. It will make you sound polite and confident. So children, in this page, we will learn about action words. The things we do every day. Let's read the sentences one by one and match them with the correct pictures. So the first sentence is, I comb my hair. Can you find the picture where the boy is combing his hair? Yes, let's match it. I comb my hair. Next one is, I see my teacher. Look, there is a picture of a teacher and a child. Let's match this sentence to that picture. So, I see my teacher. Third one says, I eat my food. Can you see where the girl is eating food? Very good. Match it there. So, here it is. The next sentence is, I hear the bell ring. Where is the picture of the ringing bell? Yes, that's it. Then we have, I walk to school. Look for the picture of children walking to school. Correct. Let's match it now. And the last one says, I play football. Find the picture of the boy kicking the picture of the girl kicking the ball. Here it is. Good. So children, today we learned some action words like come, see, eat, hear, walk and play. These words tell us what we do. Practice saying them aloud and try using them in your own sentences. So now on this page, we will practice writing some more letters, both big letters, that is capital letters or uppercase letters, and small letters. Look carefully at the arrows. They show us which way to move our pencil. Follow the arrows slowly and neatly. Here we have the letters G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Remember, big letters touch the top lines, while small letters sit neatly between the lines. So children, take your pencils, sit straight and write each letter carefully. Practice makes your handwriting beautiful. So in this page, we will learn some new letter sounds. Let's look at the pictures and say the words together. First one is F. The letter F makes the sound F. Say it with me. F. 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 Fox. F. Food. F. Fish. Now the letter G make the sound G. G make the sound G. G. God. G. Gate. G. Girl. Next one is letter H. H make the sound H. H. House. H. Hand. H. Hut. Next one is I. I make the sound I. Iron. I for eyes. I for inkpot. Next one is J. J. J for jacket. J for jackfruit. J for jug. Very good. Now you learn the sounds of letters F, G, H, I and J with the words. Keep practicing the sounds every day to become better readers. Say aloud each letter, then encircle the picture which begins with the same letter sound. Now we will say each letter aloud and find the picture that begins with the same sound. So first one is G. Look at the picture. House, girl, iron box. Which picture begins with the G? Yes, girl. Girl begins with G. G for girl. So we have to encircle the picture of the girl. Next letter is F. Flower, hose, star. So which picture begins with the letter F? Flower. F for flower. Now circle the flower. J. Look at the pictures. We have a jackfruit, honeybee and hand. So the word jackfruit, the picture jackfruit is with J. So we will encircle the picture of jackfruit here. J for jackfruit. The last letters say H. Look at the pictures. Cat, kite, house. So which picture begins with H? House. So we have to encircle the picture of the house to show it is the one which begins with the letter H. So we have matched all the letters with their correct beginning sounds. Keep practicing every day to become smart readers. So that's all for today, children. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. We'll be back again with the next part of this chapter next week. Until then, keep learning and revising the lessons we practiced today. Great job. Keep smiling, keep shining. Take care. See you soon in the next video.